Lynch will be knocked back. Flag is down. And that is only the second penalty thrown in this game. Bills had a 1-yard penalty, and this is the first penalty called against the Seahawks.
One thing that has really impressed me about Russell Wilson is that this isn't a real simple offense he's running. They run multiple formational groups, multiple different type of schemes, the read option, the play-action passing game, the drop-back passing game. They put a lot on his plate, and he handles it all beautifully.
Holding was called on Anthony McCoy, and now they go to Lynch up the middle. He's been tough to stop as he drives his way inside the 15, picking up 7. Wilson, the strong safety, on the tackle. This has been dominated heavily by the Seahawks as Russell Wilson scored rushing touchdowns on the first 2 possessions.
You look at the attention to detail. Watch after this play. Watch Russell Wilson. He's going to carry out that fake. He continues to run down the sidelines. He does it each and every time he hands the ball off. Great things happen when you pay attention to the tiny details.
Lynch 100 yards, 7th in the last